welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is going to be very simple, quick and straight to the point. I'm going to be unboxing some raw Indian hair that I got from a company called Raw Hair Enterprises. Now I have filmed an unboxing video for the same company, Raw Hair Enterprise, in the past, and in that video I unboxed some raw Indian wavy. Now Raw Hair Enterprise is a company based in Chennai. They deal on raw Indian South authentic hairs straight out from a donor's head. Okay, so those hairs are being cut from a donor's head and then they are wefted and washed and sent off to with the customer. Now when it comes to Indian hair, everybody has a favorite. Okay, for me, I prefer raw Indian curly over raw Indian wavy or raw Indian straight hair. So I don't want to talk too much in this video, so let's just go straight ahead and unbox this hair. This hair came via FedEx, as you guys can see the FedEx symbol on the packaging. I did order 3 bundles of raw Indian curly in the length of 22 inches. Now I didn't get a closure or a frontal, and the reason why I didn't get a closure or a frontal is because I did try their closures and their frontals in the past and it was okay, but I wasn't really wowed. So this company is actually trying to take out their time to make sure that they learn more and try to create bomb frontals and closures. So in the meantime, I just opted for only the bundles. Like I said, I got 3 bundles in the length 22 inches of their raw Indian curly hair. So the first one I have here is they're all the same length. Okay, they're all 22 inches. So this is what this bundle is looking like. As you guys can see, this bundle is actually silky. My hands are running through this bundle. Stretched out, I'm pretty sure it measures 22 inches directly under my bust. Okay, so this is what this curl pattern is looking like. I hope my camera is picking this up for you guys to see. So this is what this bundle is looking like, you guys. I wish you guys can see the luster of this hair. I'm going to attach a video of this hair in natural lighting so that you guys actually get to see what this hair looks like. So it's just beautiful. It is super thick, like it's so thick, and you can see that curl pattern. You can see that natural curl pattern. It doesn't look like all those processed curl hair that you see on the gram. This is raw. Okay, this is raw. That's why you can see the ends of the hair is looking like this. It just looks like our natural hair, like the ends of our natural hair itself. So this is what one bundle is looking like, and you don't really get a lot on the weft. As you guys can see, you don't really get a lot on the weft, but the shorter you go, the thicker the weft is. So you might want to put that into consideration when you're shopping hair from this company. So this is what one bundle is looking like, you guys. There is no red fibers, none of that whatsoever. Like you guys need to see me, okay? If I'm looking at this hair under the sun, like I legit pick the hair one strand at a time, trying to look out for those yellowish red silver strands that you tend to see in some hairs. So I took out the time to actually look through this hair, and I'm not seeing any red fibers. I'm not even seeing eggshells. Like, you know, sometimes when you get hair from India, it tends to come with lice, or the lice eggs. They call it the nits. But I'm not seeing anything like that on here, so that's a plus. So this is what this one bundle is looking like. Let me move on to the second bundle quickly. So this is the second bundle. Oh wow, this bundle actually feels very coarse. I don't know if you guys can tell from the video, but this bundle does feel and look coarse. Okay, yeah, and it's definitely thicker than the other bundles that I just showed you guys. This one is definitely more coarse than the first one that I opened. So this is the first one that feels silky, okay, and this is the coarse bundle. I don't know if there's a way you guys can tell, but yeah, this is the coarse bundle, okay, and this is a silky bundle. So this is the 2 bundles put together side by side. It's so thick, like 2 bundles, and it's already this thick. So let me open up the last bundle. Okay, Ooh, so this one is also very silky. Like this one too is also pretty silky. This one feels just like the very first bundle that I showed you guys in the beginning, which is, I'm even confused. Okay, so this is the very first bundle I showed you guys. This is the last bundle. The last bundle even feels silkier than the first bundle. So this is the two of them put side by side. You guys see the curl pattern, like just look at that, you guys. Like look at the curl pattern of this hair, like just look at that curl pattern. It's gorgeous. Okay, so and then this is a course bundle that I was also talking about that I wanted to show you guys. This is also the course bundle. This is the course bundle. So put side by side, all three bundles, super thick. Like, can you guys see the volume of this hair? Like, it's so thick. This hair is super thick. And because I don't have any closure or any frontal to match this hair, I am gonna get like a sewing. So I'm gonna have this hair, these bundles installed on my natural hair. So I'm in love. Okay, this is real raw Indian curly hair. You can see the curl pattern for yourself. Like, take a look at this hair texture, you guys. Period. Like, go and check out Raw Hair Enterprise. So I'm gonna explain the shipping process for you guys, and also the cost of this hair. This hair cost me, where is my phone? I'm gonna actually put the correct price of what I paid for this hair so that you guys get to see. I will leave the correct price of these three bundles of this particular length on the screen so that you guys get to know. And also, this company does accept PayPal, so definitely use PayPal with them when you're ordering from this company. So yeah, let me tell you guys about my shipping experience with this company. So the very first time I got the raw Indian wavy from them, I got an email. The vendor actually shipped the three bundles of the wavy hair and a closure in a very big box. I don't know why he did that, but the box was like really big and fancy and all that. So I got an email from FedEx asking me to pay a custom duty charge of $100 in Naira, 58,000 Naira. That was what they asked me to pay in order for my package to be released. So God, I was moving mad. Like, I kept going back and forth with FedEx. I was like emailing them back and forth. They even called me on the phone trying to like negotiate a price. At the end of the day, we did come to an agreement, like a certain price, and I had to pay for the custom duties, and then the package was released and sent down to my city. So that was what happened the very first time. But this particular hair, I didn't have to pay any custom duty on this hair. The vendor shipped it, as you guys can see, in just that simple packaging. And yeah, so it came and I received the hair. There was no custom declaration, none of that whatsoever. So I just thought I should come explain all of that to you guys, so you guys actually get to know, like give you guys a heads up. I think that same custom duty thing applies to almost all the vendors. You have to make sure that you're not like buying in like super large quantities, because as long as the box is big, they don't care if it's only one bundle that is inside that box. If that box is really big, they're gonna charge you custom duties, unfortunately. So yeah, you guys should please go check out Raw Hair Enterprises. I'll leave all of their information down in the description box. I'll also leave their WhatsApp number so you guys can go check them out, chat them up, ask them for their price list, ask them all the questions you need to ask, and order your sample and see how it goes from there. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to be doing something different on my channel. Like, I want to incorporate fashion, lifestyle, vlogs, you know, all of that. I have a lot of vlogs that I've been filming for you guys, so I'm going to be uploading all of that pretty soon as the weeks come by. Probably even today I might just upload that while I'm filming this video. So I just want you guys to like keep showing me your love and support, because it's not easy out here. Like, being a content creator is hard. Like, it's not just about getting your camera or getting your phone and sitting down to film. It takes work, okay? So thank you guys so much for subscribing. We're almost at 4K. You guys should please share my videos to your friends, have your friends subscribe to my channel, and let me know what hair you guys want me to try next. I know you guys have been shouting Burmese hair, I don't know. I hope you guys do know that there's no such thing as Burmese curly. Don't mind when they're telling you. The Vietnamese people are the ones that process Burmese hair, so don't listen to people. So anyways, I'm gonna try to get that hair and I'll try to show you guys. So I know you guys are obviously dying to know what hair it is that I have on my head, but I'm not gonna spill. I'm not gonna tell you guys. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye y'all.